Hello, today's video is going to explore the difference between a research question and a research paper topic and a thesis. If you have a great topic, oftentimes that gives you a question that you want answered related to the topic, and that gives you a reason to go to the library and find the answer to your question. That answer becomes your thesis. And a lot of times students create these kind of really artificial papers. They're just doing it to get a grade. They're not really trying to answer any questions. They come off as very contrived. They're just doing it for a grade to get it over with. Well, let me give you an example. There's no doubt that we're living in a period of drought right now, and maybe that's a good topic. Is how the drought? How do we deal with it? Okay, there's a question. How do we conserve water? You don't know the answer. You're just kind of fumbling around. You try to write a research paper. Time to go and answer that question. If you go into the library and start doing some searches, you might discover that, wow, there's a lot of ways that we could save water and become more water efficient without worrying about running out of water for Los Angeles or something like that. You discover that 20% of the water that you use in a household is used in showers, and you might find ways of taking the gray water from a shower using soap that's not poisonous and using it to water your lawn or something like that. Maybe you discover that air conditioners condense so much water, they're just dripping the water away. And if you put a rain barrel out in your backyard and that water drips into your rain barrel, you can use that water to water your garden. There's a lot of different things that you would discover with a good research question like that that would then help you create a thesis. And then you would defend that thesis with the evidence that you've gathered in the library. This is how it all works. It's kind of an eloquent process that human beings use to answer the big questions that challenge us all. So the thesis you may come up with would be, there are many ways that we could conserve water that are very easy right now, including using gray water from showers to water your garden, and using the water that we condense from air conditioners to water your lawn and things like that. So there's a process here, a cycle, that is, come up with a topic first, then develop a good research question, go to the library, find the answers to that question. There may be more than one answer, and then create a thesis from that. And then you use the information you found in the library to defend your thesis. Hope that makes sense. Have fun with it. Pick a topic you really care about. It'll make it a lot more fun.